Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way. With the usage of the secret code, we have to open the dialer. Let's tap on it and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open them. Here in the general list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's enter the model section. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.